Hey guys, welcome back to Chopping It Up with Chels. Damn, it sounded like I farted. Okay. Hey y'all, welcome back to Chopping It Up with Chels. If you're new to my channel, welcome. What it is, what's up? Got you in the cut, guys. If you're new to my channel though, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Go follow all of my social media handles. Let me know what you guys want to see. For Christmas, my dad actually gifted me the Tartleette Pro Remix palette. However, I already had that palette, so we went back and we exchanged it for the Tartlette Toasted palette. And while I was playing around with it, I was looking at it, I realized that there are eyeshadow suggestions, Fireside, Fierce, and Flamin' Hot. And I decided to go ahead and why not try to actually do it and show you guys what it looked like. So thank you guys again for all your love and support, and I hope you enjoy. This brush is fancy. It's SKEENO. Don't listen to what people say they don't know about. Once again, conceal all of your mistakes. It's 2020, baby. Everything that I did in 2019 does not count. I think this is like where the snatch comes in. I actually want to try this anti-pollution setting powder because it's translucent. Is it? Zero. But I actually don't know if this is like translucent because it just says anti-pollution setting powder 001. I'm gonna assume that it's not translucent. So I'm actually gonna use the Kat Von D, even though she doesn't vaccinate her kids. I'm gonna use the Kat Von D because I got it as a Christmas gift. Thanks, Linda. XOXO. All Vrip seeing white on my face. It just is not flying well with me, baby. Forgiveness is key. You imagine my brows come out so freaking nice. The past few days, my brows haven't been like cooperating with me. They haven't been like as thick. The past few days, nothing's been cooperating with me. The past few lives, whatever, just haven't been cooperating with me. This is definitely it. This one right here is it. Have you guys ever like baked your brows? I heard that that was like a thing now. I'm not gonna do it. I'm just not. But if you do, let me know how that works out for you. Maybe you can convert me. But as of right now, the things that I have been seeing have not been like converting me. Like I don't see the need to bake my brows. You don't just want me to waste product. So then I could have to go and buy more. You not low. I know the vibes. You're not low. That's all I'm gonna say. Period. I got a backdrop now. I don't know if you guys can tell. I'm fancy. Like I'm in a anyways, I'm an official YouTuber. I'm official. I have a tripod. And I have a backdrop. Right now, I'm kind of like, where's my camera? I don't know if you could see, but it's definitely a bed sheet. But by whatever means, period. You do what you do, and you gotta do what you gotta do. Okay, currently 11 o'clock at night. I don't know. Why am I blending this with my finger? You guys may have already known, I recently picked up the Tartlette Toasted palette. And inside, it comes with this cool little how-to with Fireside Fierce and Flamin' Hot, which are the two looks. Okay. So I'm just going to be trying to bring it out. Fireside Fierce, Flamin' Hot. Which side should we do? Fireside Fierce, Flamin' Hot. Cheetos. Okay, I'm gonna start with Fireside. Apply cashmere all over the lid as a base shade. So I am going to take cashmere right here, and I'm going to apply it. I said I was doing this side right. Apply it all over. You see that? You see that? Blend warmth into crease. Taking my crease brush, and I'm gonna take warmth right here, which is like a really orangey, peachy shade. I love orangey shades. It's like my go-to. Browns and oranges are my thing. Boom. Pack Fireside into the outer corner, blending up into the crease towards the center of the lid. I'm taking Fireside, just like a dark brownish, super like toasty. Like, let's cuddle. Okay.
I'm gonna take care of you. Just put your trust in me, baby.
Apply warmth to the lower lash line. I'm still baking though. You're not gonna tell me to put something in. Okay.
Trust in you. I got you now, know you've been through hell and back.
Buff the shade Fireside to the outer corner of the lower lash line.
Can I put my trust in you? Won't switch up now, girl, you know I got your back. Can I put my trust in you? Let your guard down, let me pick up where he lagged. Can I put my trust in you?
Okay, so that's Fireside Fierce. Now what are we doing? Dime what we doing. Sunset all over the lid. Sunset is like a really pretty glittery shade. I'm not really too sure how I'm gonna feel about this because I usually save everything for my lid last.
Girl, you've been dating, searching and locating, looking for.
If you ever see me like in like my videos, if I go from like hand to brush, it's because the warmth of your finger actually applies better, if that makes any sense. I'm retarded. Like, look. So here it is with my finger, and here it is with a brush. See the. Can't really see the difference, but you could see the difference. It's a. Whoa. Okay. It's me again. Hi. That was not okay. Blend latte. Let's get my blending brush. Don't I sound like such a beauty guru? Let me get my blending brush. Let me get my crease brush. Let me get my concealer brush. Like, I'm just the certified thing, baby. Hello, baby. So latte. I like you a latte. Latte.
Your heart's been racing, full of pain, lust, and temptation. Falling for these dudes.
Mix warm and cozy and buff into the outer corner and up into the crease. So warmth and cozy. Oh, that's pretty though. These are two very complementary shades. My name is Chelsea. It rhymes with Kelsey. I'm doing a makeup tutorial on the Toasted, Childhood Toasted palette. My Tartlette Toasted palette. My Tartlette, hey. Okay.
Waste your time and leave you shaking. Girl, I know that it's gonna take some time for you to go. Girl, I know that you feel like you won't outlast the storm. Girl, I know every situation hurts more. Girl, I know.
Okay, define the lower lash line with flame. Lower lash line with flame. Fire flame, flame, fire flame. The pretty flame is right here. That's my mom. Okay. That's my mom. I'm gonna do it this way because I feel like I did it wrong with this side with warmth. But whatever.
It's always looking for you, girl, I'm sure. I know you're so sick of love.
Apply candle into the inner corner to brighten. Highlight the brow bone with small.
Songs, thinking and crying all night long. Get out the dark and turn your lights on. And look no further, I'm the right one. 'Cause I'ma take my time with you.
We love a clean look. Finish by applying 2 coats of Lights Camera lashes and bon voyage, bon appetit. Use a little snackerite. La-da-dee, la-da-doo, la-da-da.
There won't be no deja vu. All the things they put you through, baby, I surely won't do. Yeah, yeah. Can I put my trust in you?
The day that I find the brush that I'm looking for, as soon as I'm looking for it, I think that'll be the day that Korea gives us our Christmas present.
I got you now, know you've been through hell and back. Can I put my
So there you have it. This is Fireside Fierce. And this is Flamin' Hot. I actually do like them. I guess Fireside Fierce, I would wear this more as like a going out type of thing, and Flamin' Hot I would do as more like a day brunch, or just I need to get out the house and I need to throw some makeup on. They were really super easy, and the directions are for dummies. But yeah, it worked out in my favor. If you guys want to see more of these kinds of videos, let me know, because I do have a bunch from Too Faced that do come with instructions. But yeah, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, go follow all of my social media handles, and we'll be back again.